Question 3. Functions f and g are defined by this, where a and b are constants and gx is this. Given fg2 is 9 and gf102 is 2, find the value of a and b. Okay, so fx equals to ax minus b and gx equals to x plus 4. So first they gave us fg2. So let's find what is fgx first. Okay. If fx is ax minus b, fy is ay minus b, fz az minus b, fgx will be agx minus b. A times gx minus b. Okay. So now let's find what's fg2. They said fg2 is 9, right? Okay, so we can figure out what's fg2. If fgx is if fgx is agx minus b, fg2 will be g2 ag2 minus b. So a times g2 minus b equals to 9. Okay. So we can find what is g2 now. Gx is x plus 4. So g2 will be 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So this will be 6a minus b is 9. Okay, this is our first equation. Right. Then gf102 is 2. Okay. So first we need to find what is gfx. Gx is x plus 4. Gy is y plus 4. Therefore gfx will be fx plus 4. And fx is ax minus b. So we put ax minus b plus 4. Then they say gf102 is 2. We have gfx. Okay, so gfx is ax minus b plus 4. So gf102 will be a times 102 minus b plus 4. Equals to 2. So here we get 102a minus b plus 4. Actually the plus 4 we can bring over that side. So it will become 2 minus 4. So 102a minus b is negative 2. This will be our second equation. Now to find the value of a and b, we just have to solve them simultaneously. Okay, so we need this equation and this equation. We only need these two. Okay, the others can erase. All right. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay, let's see how to solve them simultaneously. So we have negative b and we have negative b. To cancel them off, we have to minus. Negative b minus negative b will cancel them off. Okay, you can use your calculator to check. Negative b minus negative 1, you get 0. Okay, so we minus them. 6 minus 1 over 2, you can use your calculator as well. Okay, it should be 5.5 lah. Okay, so we write this as fractions. 11 over 2a. B and b will cancel off. 9 minus negative 2 is 11. Okay, 9 minus negative 2. Okay, then a will be 11. This one go there will become divide. 11 over 2. So 11 divided by 11 over 2, we get 2. Okay, so A is 2. And then you can sub this into the first equation or the second equation. So 6 times 2 minus B is 9. 12 minus B is 9. Negative B is 9 minus 12. 9 minus 12 is negative 3. Therefore, B is 3. That's all.